Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ExpressVPN router pairing for stronger device control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize ExpressVPN router pairing, you will first need to log into your ExpressVPN account. Open your preferred web browser and visit the ExpressVPN website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password associated with your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. Locate the Setup on More Devices option on your dashboard. Click on Router from the list of device options. You will see a list of compatible routers. Confirm that your router model is supported. Next, download the appropriate firmware for your router model. Follow the instructions provided on the website to flash your router with the downloaded firmware. After the firmware installation is complete, restart your router. Reconnect to the router's admin panel by entering the router's IP address in your web browser. Once you're in the admin panel, navigate to the VPN settings. Select OpenVPN or L2TP/IPsec, based on your preference. Return to your ExpressVPN dashboard. Copy the setup credentials and configuration files you need for the chosen protocol. Go back to your router's admin panel and paste the relevant configuration settings. Make sure to save the changes. Once the settings are saved, reconnect your device to the router. Now, open your ExpressVPN application on your devices. Ensure your devices are connected to the router that has ExpressVPN configured. Finally, check that your connection is secure by visiting a website that verifies your IP address. You have now authorized ExpressVPN for router pairing, allowing for stronger device control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.